Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the slider component in Webflow to create clean, interactive, and visually appealing transitions on your website. To get started, open your browser and go to webflow.com. After logging in, head to your Webflow dashboard and open an existing project or create a new one. Once your project loads, navigate to the Add Elements panel on the left side of the screen. This panel allows you to drag and drop components into your canvas. Scroll through the list until you find the slider element, then drag it into your layout to begin customizing it. The slider automatically comes with 2 slides, but you can add more by clicking the Add Slide button. Each slide can contain different images, text, or any other content you want to showcase. To personalize how your slider behaves, click the Settings icon. Under the animation settings, you can choose from various transition styles such as fade, crossfade, or slide. You can also control how long each slide stays on screen by adjusting the duration settings. If you want the slides to move automatically, simply enable the Autoplay option to let the slider cycle through your content on its own. For deeper customization, you can adjust spacing, alignment, or behavior using the Custom Attributes panel. Then, switch to the Style tab if you want to change typography, colors, or layout. This is also where you can redesign navigation arrows or dots to match your website's branding. Once you're satisfied with the look and performance of your slider, click Publish to make your updated design live on your chosen domain. And that's it! You now know how to set up and customize a slider in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow guides.